Festi, Fuli, Kion, Bunga, Timber, Timon and Pumbaa. Today on SETC we're going to be learning colours with Disney's The Lion Guard. Green, and we have Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story.
To infinity and beyond.
He's super cool.
Shh.
Yellow, and we have Sadness from Disney's Inside Out. Pink, and we have Fuli from The Lion Guard. Blue, and we have Miles from Tomorrowland. Red, and here we have Kion from The Lion Guard. Orange, and we have Mike Wazowski from Monsters University and Monsters Inc. Can you remember what colours we've used today? Orange, blue, yellow, red, green, pink,